I have a sweater with llamas on it. And they were like, hey, Pia, we just wrote a song about llamas. So we thought we would share it with you.
Want to hear the song?
We're going to teach you it line by line. And then we're going to sing it out together. So it goes a little something like this. Happy llama, sad llama, totally red llama. You guys give that a try.
Happy llama, sad llama, totally red llama. Super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama.
Baby llama, crazy llama.
Don't forget Obama llama.
Rock baby llama, crazy llama, don't forget Barack Llama.
And the jolly llama.
Llama.
Okay, this part's a little crazy, so pay attention.
Fish, more fish. Turtle, otter, unicorn.
Give that a try.
Fish, more fish. Turtle, otter, unicorn, peacock.
That was great.
It's gotta be really like this.
Okay, we're doing it together. Fish talking.
Hush now.
Llamas don't talk.
From the top.
Happy llama, sad llama, totally rad llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama, baby llama, crazy llama, don't forget Barack Obama, and the jolly dolly llama. Fish, fish, more fish, turtle, otter, unicorn.
One more time.
Happy llama, sad llama, totally rad llama, super llama, drama llama, big fat mama llama, baby llama, crazy llama, don't forget Barack Obama, and the jolly dolly llama. Fish, fish, more fish, turtle, otter, unicorn, peacock. Great.
And now, we have Winger and Gazoosh. Guys.
Hush.
All right. So, you guys are pretty avid horseback riders. We believe that it's the most ideal mode of transport, and so we decided to write a song about it. Yeah. And we're going to teach you the chorus, and so you can sing the chorus when it comes along.
And then we're hopefully going to be able to sing the verses.
Yep, and hopefully we can remember how our song goes. And yeah, so should we split them?
We should split them. I think right here is good.
Okay. So we think that horses are better than cars. So there are a number of different cars that we're going to list off. Actually, do you want to do the cars?
I'll do the cars.
Okay.
So I think this side will be the cars.
I got a horse outside.
But the second part is kind of like, I got a horse outside. It's like a little bit more attitude. A little bit more sass. Right? So
I got a horse
I got a
outside.
horse outside. So try like that.
I got a horse outside.
You just said Subaru, now we're going, forget your Mitsubishi.
Forget you, Mitsubishi.
Got a horse outside.
And this is where we all
come together and we say, if you're looking for a ride, got a horse outside. Okay, so let's all try that together once.
If you're looking for a ride, got a horse outside.